Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the video to show you the candy box. Is October special sales kit in my group. Yeah, if you are interested, please just email to me and I will let you know the price and the shipping cost. Okay, so I'll show you the what inside the box. There we have 25 pieces all in this yummy embellishment here. This is like a bow, and this is like a butterfly, and 3 of these in different color of the bead in the ivory and the pink, and this is like a very soft lavender or lilac color, and also 3 pieces of this beaded flower. Yeah, pretty. Okay, and 4 of these. Actually this is all is different pattern. This one with the, you can see the brown beads here, and this one is with the transparent, yeah, the glass beads in the middle. So 4 also different. This one is also another color, like a very soft pink. Okay, and this one is this. So we have 4 like a bow, and 3 of this. This one is the big one, and this one is like a rupee, something different, and this one is the small one. Okay, and I'm going to take out and show you. Okay, the beads one. You have 1 of these, and this one, the dangle rupee flower, and this one, and this one. I like this one. Okay, it's also pretty, and 2 in this large shining. You can see one is the pink, one is like a transparent beads here. Okay, and this also different, all different patterns. This one, you can see this one with the beads, different one. And lastly, this is the pink one, and this one. This is like a glass bead and very shimmery, very pretty. So yeah, all this is the embellishment for the candy box. Okay, all this is the pieces, all beautiful, yummy embellishment in this box. Altogether is 25 pieces here, so you can use all this to make your into your project. And yeah, just send me an email if you're interested, so I will let you know the price and the shipping. And yeah, I list this in my group. If you have joined into my group, so you can check it out in my group. Okay, so yeah, and thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and bye bye.